smell good.
Johan and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Johan Wonders. Thanks guys for watching and subscribing my channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Did you know it's springtime and the flowers are blooming? Look at these flowers. This is a very big rose. I wonder how it smells. It's so good.
Yes.
I wish we did have flowers in our backyard. Today is another art episode. In this art episode, we are gonna make rose petals and turn them into potpourri. Are you ready? Then let's get started. You will need rose petals, oil and perfume if link in the description below, and you need a baking pan. Are you ready? Then let's get started. These are the beautiful roses in our backyard. You can pick the roses that can be pulled up easily, and we will use that for our potpourri. Now we will dry the rose petals and make them into a potpourri.
Hello.
First, we will remove the rose petals. These are rose petals in the oven and wait for a few minutes until it gets dry. Here are the dried rose petals. We also have dried rose petals which we dry naturally for a week. We will add this to our potpourri. Now we are gonna put it in the mason jars. Spray rose water perfume inside the potpourri.
Hey, me first.
decorate your house and feel the lovely smell.
Yes.
Guys, hope you like our art episode today. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. See you in our next art episode. Bye bye. Black one. Yes, we have flowers, but I don't know what to do with it. Let's just dance with it and then make a blue here. And I don't want to put it on the ground because our picture is Thank you for watching!